What is the Uber Say My Name scam? So, if you've ever been an Uber driver, Uber recently announced that passengers can do the Say My Name scam, and a lot of passengers are taking advantage of it. So, do you know what that is, Izzy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Or kind of.
So we actually reenacted this in a in a video. Should we watch this real quick?
Yeah, we should watch it.
Okay.
Can you say my name?
What? Hello, for Uber?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Wait, can you say my name?
What?
Can you say my name?
No, you need to tell me what your name is.
No, you need to tell me what my name is off the Uber app.
Well, you're supposed to confirm with me your name. So.
No, can you say my name, please?
No, that's not how it works. Like, you can check.
Yeah, that is how it works. Say my name off of the Uber app.
No, like, you can... That's...
No, what?
You
say
need
my
to tell
name
me what...
so I know that you're my driver.
Are you okay? So, guys, little test here. Comment below, who do you think should say their name? Should it be the passenger or the driver? In my opinion, the passenger should be the one saying their name because the driver has no, like, the passenger is given us a slew of information. They're given the color of the car, the make of the car, the model of the car.
License plate number.
License plate number, yeah. And the driver's photo and name, or like at least a picture of the driver. The passenger, they can use a fake name, a fake photo, no photo at all. We have no idea who we're picking up. And so the passenger should be the one to say, look, okay, this is the correct car. This is the correct driver. I can see his face. Correct license plate. I always check license plates before I get into an Uber. And then I feel like the passenger should be the one to say their name.
Yeah, I agree.
But when you go to the comments, people don't agree. Because
oh, really?
Because Uber came out and said that the passengers should be the ones to say their name, or the passengers should be asking the driver to say their name, because
they should just both say the names.
Yeah, I agree. So basically what happened, and I don't want to get too much into this because it's pretty graphic, but basically there was an incident where something happened where a passenger got into the wrong Uber car. And it was this whole media thing, blew up. Uber, safety got canceled or whatever. And so Uber came out with this thing to say, okay, before you get into an Uber car, tell them to say your name so you make sure it's the right car. And so it started causing all of these Karen passengers to start, getting mad at the driver to say their name.
Yeah.
So I'm here to set the record straight. Drivers, don't tell your passenger your name, because if you say, "Oh, hey, are you Suzanne?" Anybody could just say, "Yes, I'm Suzanne," and then you as a driver, you just have no security anymore.
Yeah, true.
You don't know if that passenger is going to hurt you, if they're scamming you for a free ride. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Now, I've heard the other argument is that when I'm a driver, a lot of female passengers I get saying, "Well, I'm a female. You need to tell me your name because, I'm a girl." So, what do you think about that, Izzy?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it should be any different if you're a girl or not. I guess, honestly, statistically, I think there's more male Uber drivers than female ones.
Probably, yeah.
But, like you were saying, it's as a passenger, you get so much information from the driver that I just think both should say their names. When you get in, you should be "Oh, it's Isabella." And then I can be "What's your name?" And then they'll be "Oh, whatever their name is, and if it matches the name
Yeah.
of the app, then it's like everyone's good.
Yeah, but we can all agree that the passenger should be the one to say their name first.
Yeah.
But also do your homework, do your part too, and check the license plate. Like check the car, make sure it's the correct car. And don't only check the car because there's obviously like multiple makes and models of cars. Like go and look at the license plate on the phone and then make sure it matches up with the car first.
Yeah, I've actually gotten in the wrong Uber before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it was the same make and model and color and everything. I just didn't read the license plate because I was like, oh, like that was the same car. And I just got in with my friend, and the person driving was like, who the heck are you?
Oh my gosh.
It was so awkward. So we literally just had to like get out and leave.
That's crazy.